आज आम्ही EPC घेतात. Actually, GSRP did not want to take any more pieces after our last time आम्ही EPC घेतली हांगाच to talk to the people of Goa. We did not want to come out and say anything more. पण आमकां force केला because a lot of lies have been told to the people of Goa by the RG, Manoj Parab and तेजे सांगायता. So it becomes obligation of our party to clarify certain things. कित्याक what they have spoken is attacking a particular person, that is me, Inasio was, but they don't know when they talk about me, they are directly accusing the party because I represent the party, I am the head of the party. So, आमचे फाउंडरान and our Supreme Executive have said, please go ahead and clarify all the points, and that's the end of it. Now I will let you know that whatever PC he has taken, I do not want to discuss, it is there in public domain. Now I want to come to the point. You know, he has also released some audios आणि व्हिडिओ काडटलो, आपल्याचे व्हिडिओ आहात रिकॉर्ड केल्ले, ऑडियो आहात रिकॉर्ड केल्ले, ऑडियो ही हॅज प्लेड, ऑल दीस थिंग्स ही हॅज डन. सो दॅट इज द बेजीक रिजन ह्या आमी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवचें पडटा आज. नाव नॉट टू वेस्ट मच टायम, आय विल गो स्ट्रेट अवे. जेन्ना आमी आझाद मैदानार when he only organized that event to say that GSRP is with him and all that in the grand session, I spoke, Florian also spoke, and in the end Manoj Parab spoke. आणि तुम्ही तर उगडास दवरशात, if you remember, he was talking on recording something going to the residence of Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwalaच्या घरा वचून he had discussion with him, and he said in that meeting that I have recorded the discussion silently, secretly. आमकां shock आयलो because this we never knew. Second thing he said, second thing he said, I also went to Prashant Kishore's house and we met him there and we discussed, because Prashant Kishore by all means is a person of Trinamool Congress. He had gone to them. Yes, why I am telling you, because he spoke last. We were not aware of all this. And in that he exposed his character, his way of dealing with people. Immediately we were set back, but we couldn't say anything because we went in a good way. We went with all faith. We had a lot of discussion in the month of October, and then that thing was arranged in the month of November 14th. So when it happened, I started to get calls from my founder members. And Florian, we were there in the site, but I was getting calls. But I did not know because sound allo and allo. When the meeting was over, our founders wanted to have an immediate meeting the next day. It was very late because हांव रातचो 1 वराचेर पावला घरा भिजोन, Florian बी भिजोन. You must remember it was raining. Next day I was called that we need an emergency meeting of GSRP, and we attended it. He was also there. Being a founder, he is the founder. I am not the founder. I am the Supreme Executive and President. So I was called because I had taken the initiative to offer him the platform, convince my superiors to offer him the platform to contest. What was the meeting about? They said, Inasio, You told us everything good about him. What is he speaking in the public platform? What did he say? He went to our CM's residence and secretly recorded recordings. He went to some deputy CM's house also, there also he must have recorded. He went to Prashant Kishore's house, there also he has recorded. What type of a person are we dealing with? I had to apologize. I said, this is also new to me. I also came to know on that day on the stage. I was told to immediately break ties with them. Immediately to take PC and break ties. I and Florian, we discussed with them and we said if we break ties now, the full movement of revolutionary Goans will fall down because they don't have a platform. It has now become a people's movement. And I requested, I begged them, please give me time. I will try to, handle the situation and I will come back and then later on we can talk. But at this moment, it is not about one man, Manoj Parab. It has become a movement of Goa. It has become a people's movement. Possibly he has started it, yes, but it has become a people's movement which will collapse. And we should, as our Goa Suraj party, are fully Goa centric. We are for Goa, always Goa and Goans. I said, please give me time. We will watch. So they said, okay, you go ahead, but you make sure that things don't go bad, don't go to that level, that GSRP चे नाव पिढेर जावपाक जायना. So from that day, all the Goa Suraj party founders and its supreme members knew in what way Manoj Parab acts, in what unethical ways he goes to somebody's house at the request of inviting and then secretly intrudes into the privacy of a people without their knowledge. He records things. We were aware of this. So Tene, whatever he has played that day, we were all aware, and in every sense, whatever statement that I was making to him or to his I will come back to that. It was in all sense. We were in our senses. We expected that everything what we talk, what I talk, somewhere or the other they would record. So मुझे गारा आयला कितके पावटी, even that he must have recorded because he said in his PC, I have a lot of recordings, audios, videos, आमका खबर ना. But we knew it, that he must be doing, and we were never worried. So whatever I was talking, whether I went to his places in Mapsa, what is that place? Wade? Pede. 2-3 flatani vela tene maka when those good days were there. As a good friend, I was trying to convince him, tell him, we discussed a lot of things. Ami boson garachi, we discussed so many things, but we never know that people are recording to put it in public domain. So what I want to say and tell, that let him release every video, every audio that he's having, we are aware of it. We don't, and everything what is said in good sense, because I was told by my superiors, our founders, that tell them, sang tenga. He was talking a lot of things which is not our way. It's not the way of GSRP, konak personal wasop, ani kolyo, konak papu, ani dalal, ani kiteng, ani kile kolyo utra. I told him, please don't do this. It's not good. It also reflects my party, but he did not listen. And when he did not listen, I had to send messages through some people. Now what happens is, the audio which is released, was an audio which was recorded by Bento De Silva from Naveli, Mojas Gaoncho, who was a candidate. So he used to come to my house, and I was as a mugyo gaoncho munis mun I was trying to tell him things. Baba, but I never knew that his whole gang is like him. तो म्हजे घरा येवन म्हजे घरा बसून ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करून गेलो. That is what he played that day. I suspected that what Manoj Parab could do, we all knew. But तेजेशी भोंवतात, candidates who are selected are also trained to do this type of jasusi thing. I never knew. But whatever I spoke is the truth. And we stand by it, I stand by it. Because what I say is for JSRP. He knew it. So I tell him today from this PC, तुझेशी कितले ऑडियो आहात, व्हिडिओ आहात, ते रिलीज कर. Don't doctor it, don't edit it, कातून नाकात, सगळे कर. I must have spoken to you so many things of our colleagues, maybe of Viryat, maybe of Swapnesh, maybe of Roshan Matayas, because we were activists. Manoj Parab was with me. No doubt I was in JSRP, but I was working with them in the NGO form. So, as a good friend, I had gone to them because of this movement. And boson garant konoi ulaytat. But if you find that somebody comes and records, as Soglang, we have to be very careful. This is what I want to tell the people of Goa. Be careful. Ye monis tumche garashi yetle, tumcheshi bostele, bori bori kitesh ulaynaga te record koron public angatlele. This is what they have done. It's a proof. It's a proof. So people of Goa, they should understand. I am only saying what he has done and what we have. And that was the time, we have decided. And the next thing was, I spoke in my last PC, how he hid things about his registration and the symbol, and how our symbol was delayed. That is now being scrutinized in Delhi. We will come out with that. Who was responsible for that? That will come out. So GSRP has got no fear. I, as Inacio was, as president, have no fear. He went to Florian's house and Florian spoke to him. Release those videos also if you have, audios. We all know what we have spoken and we will not go by. But don't doctor, don't edit. Put the raw video. This is what I want to tell. Teje bare jaite Munisa, he has now brainwashed a lot of people. I am only said, we knew he could do. Only thing we did not know that he has now, controlled the mind of his people. So be careful. This is what I want to say. This is point one. Second thing is, I have already spoken about Bento now, how he came and how he recorded. So Mozo Gaoncho Munisman, I was trying to tell him, Baba, this is our village. This is why I am telling you. And in Jena, exactly I told Mr. Viresh what he said. I said, Viryato is our activist. He may be in Congress now. Like how you have gone. You were also part of Goincha Awaz. You have opened Revolutionary Goans. Now you have joined JSRP. I told him that he has gone. There is no need for you to talk against him. He has never talked against you. Or any of the activists, they have never talked against personal but we don't record anything and put it in public. So I had told him, I don't deny. And even today, I support Viryat. My GSRP supports Viryat. My founder president is there. We support Viryat and we will support lot of good candidates. Credible candidates we will support. We also went to the fact with Manoj because I found that he is a credible person. But you just see how he is exposing himself.
What was the vote share of your party?
I am not finished. Please, I am not finished. There is a lot of things to come. I am not finished, I will tell you. This is one part.
Don't take it too
Yeah. Second thing is, I will now go straight away to the bank account. He accused directly the president, Inacio Vaz, that is me, that I did not tell the people to put money into the account, or I did not publish because I suspected that Inacio will swindle the money. I will tell you one thing. I will give you documents. GSRP is a political party. He doesn't even know how political accounts operate. That is ignorance. We made आमचो म्हापसा bank account हा आमच्या partyचो. In spite of that, we said, and knowing all this, we said we will open another account. तुमकां जाय थंय तुम्ही सांगात खंय तो. And the account, as per our traditional way, is operated by 3 people: treasurer, general secretary, and the president. And the treasurer sign nastana, and to withdraw any money, 2 signatures are required. And the primary signature what is required is of the treasurer. Then the second signature can be of the GS or of the president. But treasurer's signature is a must. Please remember now, he himself has exposed and told that the treasurer and general secretary were his people. Yes, we went with good faith. That's why we brought and allowed them to come into our executive. We made his man treasurer. We made his man general secretary. And this is the letter which is issued to the bank HDFC. I will give you copies. Over here it is written that the primary signature will be of the treasurer, and the second signature can be of the general secretary or of the president. So I will tell you one clear thing. Since the treasurer and the general secretary are his, who have now, we are told, that resigned from our party, very good, that's their decision. We have not forced them. But they, as a treasurer and GS, would swindle all the money, and the president would not even know until I go to the bank and find out what came and what went. Because president's signature is not required. Or president, if I sign a check or whatever it is, no bank will give me money because these letters are there. The party resolution is there. There is a party resolution which is signed by the general secretary, Mr. Mayur Arsekar. I will give you this copy. So Manoj Parab, accusing Inacio Vaz that Inacio Vaz will swindle money from the bank, and that is the reason I told people not to put, is the biggest lie. His every statement, his everything what he has done is on the footing of lies. And je pode kon ye afle wrong liesanche doon apne pode gor bantat ten sort tin burona. Let the people of Goa decide. I will give you this document. This is the only thing I wanted to say. And one more very important. This has happened yesterday. He gave shocking to us. He gave an interview to Rupesh Samant, Goa Hub, yesterday. And in that he said that Amchani, we had put lot of people, executive, telling if we wanted, we could take over Goa Suraj Party, we could throw the president out by taking the general body meeting, and then let the Supreme Executive can come and fight with me. These are not my words. These are words of Manoj Parab. What I want to say now is, Munshaja Toklen Nastana Tonanena. He had this bad intention right from day one. He wanted, if the RG party was not registered, for sure he would have taken over our Goa Suraj Party. He would have attempted to take over Goa Suraj Party. हे आपल्याच्या तोंडान तेणे सांगला. देवान आमकां सालवार केल्यात. He is talking of universal power. Universal power does not give you bad thinking. आमी चिंतूंक देगून ना. Yesterday when we found out that he is talking like this of taking over GSRP. So RG to register जावंक नाहली, he would have done that. Let people of Goa know. God saved us.
He would have tried to.
He would have. What we would have done and what we would have fought is a different thing. Now, I just, for 1 minute, I want our president, Marshal. We broke all ties, because I tried level best to convince them that we broke all ties, and this is the last, we will not even talk. आमच्या आणि RG काहीच ना. हांव तुमकां सांगला मरे हांगा ते कोटेन ते तुमी लोकांक पळोवन या मरे. आय एम गिवींग यू डॉक्युमेंट्स. तो ऑडियो कार्ड सगळें काड. अ पर्सन हू हेज गॉट हॅबीट ऑफ कमिंग टू युअर हावस, तुका इनवायट करून तूं येता म्हज्या घराशी, वी डोंट थिंक दॅट तो कितें इक्विपमेंट घेवन येयला रिकॉर्ड करून. अरे ही कॅन गो टू अवर चीफ मिनिस्टर्स हावस इन दिल्ली, मिस्टर केजरीवाल, एंड रिकॉर्ड. ही हॅज सेड दॅट. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दिस. He has said that. Let people of Goa analyze what type of a person. And he wants to become the chief minister of Goa. Good luck. Good luck to the people of Goa. You elect such people.
What was your vote share last election?
We had fielded 8 candidates. Vote share na.
I will come
Our
on that.
yeah.
We are a 21-year-old party.
That is fine. What is
No, I'm coming clear. You listen. You have to listen to this.
Masse 1 minute.
Now,
Short.
we were promoting a party by fielding candidates because if from every election since 2000 we were formed, 2002, 2007, 2012, 2017, and this was 2022. We were going to have our candidates. We were promoting the party because we are not politicians, we are political leaders. So it takes time to filter the party to the intentions like these. And the constitutional 2 articles we have, I will mention to you, Article 34, which we say we'll have only 5-member cabinet ministers, not 12. 12 is allowed. We will have only 5, not more than 5. And this article is unamendable. It is sealed at the Election Commission. Second one is that we will not give corporations to MLAs because they don't know nothing about running corporations. Corporations are run by people who are actually involved in that trade. So we will appoint corporations and MLAs which shall not be given. So and we made sure that we gave this and the constitution to them to study first.
This is the roadmap of
So-
Goa. 100 runs into 105 pages.
And we gave them to study our constitution also. Now they have a constitution. They have this, and this is what they are talking about. The Supreme Executive, where it came from, they didn't know. It is on the constitution. So how are you a general secretary of the party without reading our constitution?
my answer is you are not answering my question.
Now, what is your question? Wait.
Vote share was
See, I'll tell you.
not
The-
more than 2,000
No.
votes.
No. We had Mickey Pacheco who contested on our ticket. He
Ah,
himself got
he had
about
around
4,500.
4,000
Okay. And the others got around 400, 500 and all.
And by the
That
way,
is all.
Mickey Pacheco is accusing Mickey Pacheco and
No,
us
no.
doctoring that.
Yeah.
So Mickey Pacheco is not with the party. He has
He has resigned long time back. Right. Zale, any more questions? Okay. Please, Yamasya, I am giving press the resolution which is signed by Mayur, and this is a letter to the bank. I think I don't want